Like with as many outlets where we putting this information out, we're put. I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna lie. I got information out of reverse diseases. How many people you pay millions of dollars just to reverse diseases. I got it out on my website for free. For free. You put it in the search bar. What? You got heart disease? What? You got diabetes? You got cancer?
And you know what? You know what?
What is it? What, hypertension?
Really,
what is it?
That's why I was really trying to say, okay, you is the new Dr. Sebi, right? You know, and a lot of y'all brothers and sisters, y'all own that.
That's a big honor. That's a big honor. Gratitude, brother. No, that's a big honor.
No, I'm not just talking to be talking because I got a mouth. I'm saying that, but also on the flip side of the coin, right? You got these niggas trying to take her, trying to take over all the motherfuckers that fucked us off. You see what I'm saying? It's another generation, and you took the side and is doing that side, right? Of how to eat to live, how to get along with, like you. I seen your video of what's gonna change is doing dating during the COVID-19. Man, I watch all y'all. I might not comment all the time, you know what I mean? But I'm like, hey, that dude on point, or that sister on point, right? And so on. But you got people that's trying to take care of they're trying to take the place of Jesse Jackson, and all them other people. That's what the fuck they're doing. It's like, okay, that nigga getting old. I'm gonna come up here and say the same shit he's saying and kind of put my little twist in it.
Facts. All right. The gambler.
Go ahead. I'm sorry, Lacono.
No, finish your sentence. I'm gonna go for a break with the finest from.
Oh, okay. It's time to go to the bar. Yeah, I hear you. But no, you got us over here that's doing it the right way and bringing us out of that bullshit. And then you got the enemy. You got these Steven ass Django motherfuckers that's going, I'm going to take his place. Because you know why? You're trying to do it the easy way. I want to eat what I want to eat. I want to drink what I want to drink or whatever. You ain't listening to Dr. Sebi. You're not listening to healing. You can't do that shit. Right. Or I'm going to do this law that way. Yeah, I'm going to do this law that way. No, nigga, you going off of statutes and codes. And I digress, people.